Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Verasity. I'm going to be giving you guys my daily analysis on the price of Verasity, see what is happening and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. If you guys are enjoying these updates, smash that like button, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of July the 5th, you can see the price of Verasity is currently sitting exactly at half a penny. We're down about 3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $51.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 6.1 million. So if we're looking at its, holder count, this is something that always impresses me, and I've shared that with you guys in the past as well. You can see a project with only a $55 million market cap, roughly. You can see that the holder count is literally insanely high, 77,530 holders for Verasity, for a project that is not even considered a mid-cap, altcoin. And that shows, that there's a lot of interest coming in. And, this is something that you guys want to keep in mind, because we're seeing new holders coming in day by day. Of course, you're going to say it's nothing like as to what it was just a few weeks ago. We've seen a little bit of a decrease within the holder count, but, that's normal. We'll see people lose patience. We'll see people, chase the next green candle of a different project. That's not what you want to be doing, because patience is something that you need to have. And the people that are holding right now have patience, because they see the long picture as to what Verasity could potentially pull. But now, we will look at the charts, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. But before I get into the charts, just a quick disclaimer, as always, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So look at the overall price of Verasity. Look where we're being rejected by. We got rejected by that same exact spot that I spoke to you guys about over the past few updates. And if I bring out it on the hourly time frame, we will be able to see it better on that side. You can see this for yourself. So we're really having a hard time breaking out of this level of resistance. We've been rejected by here 2 different times. But with that said, I'm really liking how the price is holding around this range. Of course, people want to see these explosive moves where we finally see a new yearly high, but it's going to take some time. That's where you need to have patience and understand, patience is a really, really important thing to have in crypto. But basically, this level of resistance is about 16.64% away for us to retest. Remember, this project is considered a low-capped project, and a low-capped market coin can be manipulated quite fast. We are going to see 10 to 15% and even possibly 20% fluctuations within its price, and that's honestly considered normal in my opinion. Because these coins can be manipulated quite fast. The price action can increase or drop very fast. It all depends on the overall volume and how many people are buying and selling. But the bigger picture, I've told you guys this before, what the project itself is doing is really, really impressive. They're making some massive strides within the cryptocurrency community, and if you are aware, we're seeing Verasity trending on crypto Twitter back to back to back. We continue to see that happen, and not only that, we continue to see the Verasity team, the development side of it, they're innovating as days go by. So that's what you want to be seeing. And remember, that attracts exchanges too. And the amount of times Verasity is being talked about, the exchanges that have not listed it yet, of course we know which exchanges we're talking about. We're talking about the big boys, Binance and Coinbase. Do you not understand? Do you really think that these guys are not seeing that Verasity has so much power? Because if you literally look at CZ's or even Binance's new post where it comes, we have listed a certain coin, or even Coinbase, we tend to see a lot of Verasity community members come in and say, hey, when are you guys listing Verasity? We need Verasity listed on your exchange. Why are you guys taking so long? So that shows that the power of the community, and I'm sure CZ himself, who is the Binance CEO, is aware of that, which I've told you guys from the beginning, because last bull cycle, we remember that he was following Verasity, but due to not being listed, and him getting spammed after spam, I think he unfollowed the page, but he is aware as to what Verasity is all about. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. Remember, Verasity does tend to move with the overall market momentum. So, people that say that Verasity does not move at all, I will just tell you guys that that is not true at all, because if you picked it up on June 10th, you saw the price of Verasity go up about 54%. We are facing a huge level of resistance. Remember, resistances are important in crypto. If we break out of this, we could literally see the price fly all the way to the 0.0073 cents real fast. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that's a move of about 50% from the current price level. So, when it comes to projects like these, if you really truly believe in it, then you need to be having patience and accumulating around this range. If you want to be dollar cost averaging in, be dollar cost averaging in when the prices are still low, because when the things heat up, I'm sure you guys are all aware, we saw something like that happen earlier this year where things literally exploded. You get to see that, this market can move up very, very fast. And I'm thinking, Veracity's next mega move is going to put it back into the 78.6. And even that move for a project like Verasity with the low cap won't be too hard for, it to happen. So things are looking really, really great. But of course, we need to keep the price of Bitcoin in mind. Bitcoin is seeing, some sideways momentum, some upside, downside, but basically within this 30K range, which is, of course, a good thing to point out. Hopefully, if Bitcoin is able to retest this 33,400 level of resistance, huge level of resistance that we have not seen since last May. So, that would be the next target for the price of Bitcoin. So if it's able to hit a new yearly high and a dominance obviously stays around here or even goes up, I could see Verasity going back above to these levels that I have mentioned. Remember, we see small cap projects move up faster than the big cap coins. But this is where I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts on this? Do you guys think Verasity has what it takes to hit the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is a 2 cents price before August? Do you see that happening? And if I bring up the measuring tool, that is a 3x from the current price levels. Or where do you see the price of Verasity in the immediate short term? I know a lot of viewers are accumulating, because I talk to a lot of viewers and they're saying, they're still accumulating. They're accumulating their bags because they think that Verasity has what it takes to pull, a dollar price point this time around. And I've shared my thoughts on that too. And I think it is possible if, of course, Binance comes into the play. Obviously, we see Coinbase coming in, and not only that, the team is continuing to burn. They're continuing to burn, the circulation. That's a huge plus point that will attract new investors coming in. And not only that, of course, the BlackRock news, if this ETF were to be approved, guys, we could be seeing the biggest, and some are saying arguably that this could be the last bull cycle for the crypto space where you see explosive moves. So, that is going to be very interesting to see how things play out, but nonetheless, looking great. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts? What are you guys doing right now? Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.